How to use Lalal.ai to separate vocals and instruments. First of all, head to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, click on the Select File button on the home page to upload the audio file you want to separate. Browse your device, select the audio file, and click Open to begin uploading it. Wait for the file to upload completely. The duration will depend on the size of your audio file and your internet speed. After the upload, Lalal.ai will automatically process the file to separate vocals and instruments using its advanced AI technology. Once the process is complete, you can preview the separated tracks and download the vocals and instrumental files individually. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lalal.ai to separate vocals and instrument. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.